Hey everyone, Steve here from theturtlefollower.com, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at a potential trade setup that we're seeing in Sealed Air Corp. SEE is the symbol, Sierra Edward Edward, and you can see here on the weekly chart, okay, again top chart is the weekly chart, that what we're looking at is a nice move out of consolidation. Okay, we had a nice weekly consolidation, just moved sideways. Ended up breaking out, having a little bit of a false breakout, came all the way back down and touched the bottom of that consolidation, and is now just basically going almost straight up. So it really hasn't offered too much of a chance to get in the position until now. And what I'm looking at now is, you can see here again, the trend line moving higher. It was extremely steep at one point, and now it's kind of starting to level off a little bit. It broke the trend by time and not price, and that's a key point I want to just point out. This trend wasn't necessarily broken because this thing pulled all the way back. It really just marched itself sideways, and that's really the setup I'm looking at now. You can see here that trend is nicely higher, but it's consolidating very well within this range between 43.50 and say 42. So I'll caution you, this is a aggressive trade. So I'm not taking it in the model portfolio on the premium side, but I may take it in my momentum account, in my personal account. So again, if this one were to break out, call it over 43.50, I'd probably enter with a stop right around 41.50 and see what we can take out of it. Just be aware, earnings coming up on the 10th of February. So that's a nice setup there. Let's see if it plays out. The other setups that we've talked about, I tweeted this out. We talked about a setup in AGN. You could see how that continued nicely today, up almost 2% while the market was down. SPG, Simon Property Group, up a little bit, but again, market was down, and it's a nice entry or a nice move since where we entered. We entered right here on this breakout over 190. That's where I kind of called that out. So about a $5 move there. DRI, it's holding in there, but not the best of the bunch. But needless to say, it's still up there above the breakout area. And the other one, Leggett and Platt. And you can see again breakout from that consolidation and up about 1% today. Again, when the market was down. So definitely some merit to taking some breakouts here. How long they last, unknown. But just use your exit strategy for getting out of the trade, whether that's trailing stops higher or taking off at a certain percentage move, or taking it off into strength. Whatever you use to exit the trade, please do so accordingly. And I'm really just looking at some setups, so I'm glad they're working out for us. Other than that, premium members, head on over to the strategy session tonight where we take a look at our positions and maybe a couple of the weekly watch list stocks that aren't performing so well. All right, take care guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.